lunch tayo for today. So kasama ko ulit yung aking mga kasamaan sa trabaho. Ano natin kung pwede natin maging lunch, siguro noodles ulit. So nandito na tayo. Dito tayo magla-lunch. Oh, mukhang masarap yung lunch dito. Tingnan natin kung ano yung lunch na pwede rito. Okay. Ito yung mga pamimilian sa ating lunch. Yan. So ito yung in-order ko, yan. Yung in-order natin na magiging laman natin. Then may gumagawa dito ng tamahong. Bulo. Het tamahong wa. So yeah, tara. Tingnan natin at kain na tayo. So dumating na yung ating order. Ito. Tikman natin kung masarap. Ito na yung ating order, ha. Wow. Kapun na ang sahog ay laman loob. Laman loob ng baboy. Then merong free na vegetable. What's that? Kapun, ha?
Mikati.
Mikati?
Yes.
Ah, okay. Ito yung in-order ko. Yan.
Ay, tampit. Mamata mo.
Tampet.
Tampit.
It's
Very spicy.
Yes.
Super
You have to
spicy.
try it.
Okay. Okay, let's eat.
Mhm.
Let's eat. But we need to put some condiments first. Okay, thank you. Yeah. Nice.
Ngaw pa siya.
Tikman natin ang walang condiments muna.
Ako dahil ba ito?
Tikman natin. Okay. Okay, di siya masarap. Sep. Yeah. Sarap. Yeah. Let's try first. Up.
ขนมกันจะมีมาตลอดความปรับกินรสแต่มันหยิบกินรสเกรงใจอยู่แล้วมันแล้ว
Pwede gaya na hilaw. Malinis. Sarap.
Ako na ako. Akoจะปีมาบอกอยู่เนี่ย
ชอบแล้วมะเขือมันบ่มี
ว่าไม่ต้องปีอย่างเดียวมันจะมีกระลำกระเล่น
แต่ผมกระเลยผมจำใจจะแอด
เข้มไม่ได้
Tamahong.
ตัว
Papaya
มะเขือ
salad.
ตัวมะเขือ